Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another, Arab Santa here. And even though Arab Santa is not feeling very well, I thought, no, it doesn't matter what's happening, it has to happen because it's tradition, huh? Arab Santa has to come and greet you and give you a seasonal greeting and wish you all the best and the happiness. And also, Naz asked me to come, and he offered me an offer that I couldn't refuse. Yeah, yes, you know what I mean. Anyway, so today I have to, on behalf of Naz, yeah, I have to thank you for the support during the so many years, and now Naz hit 10,000 subscribers. He's feeling very humbled, and he said to me that you mentioned this and say thank you very much for everybody supporting him, love from the heart, and you are the best subscribers ever. Without you I wouldn't be here today. I mean, he wouldn't be here today. So it's a tradition. Let me just, for the people who don't know Arab Santa, just give them few pointers. All right. So Arab Santa doesn't say ho ho ho. He says han. Okay. So repeat after me. One, two, three. Han. Okay. So this is one thing. The second thing, Arab Santa doesn't eat cookie. He eats dates. And also, he doesn't drink reindeer milk. He drinks camel milk. And also, the most important one, his sleigh or my sleigh is made of oud. Yes, it's made of pure oud and it smells divine. And everywhere I go, people smell and they say, "Wow, that Arab Santa's coming." Even though he's not, he's like miles away. I can smell him. So oud is that strong. You can smell it from miles away. Okay, guys. So without further ado, let me do just one unboxing for you because it's a special day, it's a seasonal greeting, and one perfume unboxing and first impression, and this is Chopard Black Incense Maliki. I've been looking, to get this for a very long time. It came out in 2020. It's I'm a big fan of the Chopard line. They have few in this line from Oud Maliki, which is very very famous, and then Rose Maliki, Musk Maliki, Amber Maliki, and now we have this beauty which called Incense Malaki, Black Incense Malaki. Okay, so 2022 release. This is 80 ml edited Perfume, and in the UK you can find it for under £50, which for such a we have to first and see and look and smell it first. So as usual, the box is a typical Maliki box, which is a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. There we go. Sorry about the noise. It's one of those things you cannot avoid. You know, when you open your Christmas present, it's always noisy, but it's one of those things that you wish you have it instead of not having it at all. Okay, so attention to details is everywhere, which is typical of a Chopard, because don't forget Chopard is the main business is jewelry making. It's a very famous jewelry boutique in Paris, and they are very famous for making high-end jewelry for very very affluent and very rich people. And from time to time they release a fragrance, and as I said, their lineup is not huge. They have few in their lineup, but every time they put something out, I have to check them out because they are usually very very good quality. Anyway, so let's go with this one and look at the bottle. Because they are jewelry makers, their attention to detail is top notch, and they have to do this. And look at this, such just beautiful bottle with the black and gold accent, and the cap is very very heavy. It's a metal, And let's go with the spray. The spray is gold, beautiful, and here we go. Very, very good sprayer. You know, Chopard always makes good sprayers. Okay, here we go. So first sniff, first impression for Chopard Black Incense Maliki de Perfume 80 ml under £50. And don't forget, Arab Santa says, let's go. Here we go. First sniff. Holy moly, yes, another hit, man. So first thing it hits me is the leather, and also quite ambery. Almost there is no top note here. I can't smell any. Yeah, I can't smell any light, say citruses or florals or anything like that. It's all heavy bass notes at the moment. Very ambery, quite incensey. It's quite woody, leathery, very resinous. Overall, what a smell. No wonder people gave it on the Fragrantica. It's got 4.4 out of 5, which is a very high score in Fragrantica, because majority of people are quite critical in Fragrantica, okay? And to get such a high praise is for a good reason, because this is top-notch quality. The first thing you sniff is quality, and the quality of the ingredients is there, and for such a good price as well. It's amazing how they do it. Quite balsamic. There's almost no sweetness. There is a sweetness in there, but there's almost no sweetness, because there are so many heavy resins, and also leather, and incense, and oud, and the amber is basically covering everything else. Almost not, I can't smell anything else. Although my nose, because I got, you know, a bit of cold as well, my nose is not 100%. But for the first impression, for a first sniff, is amazing. It's just up my alley. You know me, I'm an Arab Santa. My sleigh is made of oud, so I love oud naturally, and this is absolutely up my alley. Although this is very mature, as you can see, I'm a white-bearded man. I'm a very mature man. I'm an over-matured man. So this is up my alley, but definitely this is for people who know what they are looking for. This is not for youngsters or somebody who doesn't have an extensive experience with fragrances, or is not a blind buy. Shall we say it's a bit risky, okay? So although if you know what you're looking for and you think this will meet those demands or those desires, then yes, of course. But Arab Santa never ever recommend blind buy, for obvious reasons. We all have different tastes, different background, different upbringing, different environment, different cultural background, and so on and so forth. And that's why it's very important that you know what exactly you want and you like in fragrances. But for me, this is an absolute banger. Beautiful, very well done, very good mix. Although, as I said, it's quite heavy on the resins and also heavy base. Almost no top notes here. There's no floral almost. There's no citruses or fruitiness almost. There are some elements of light pepperiness or maybe light fruitiness, tiny bit, but even the light fruitiness is like a dark fruit, okay? It's like a maybe raisin or dates. You know, Arab Santa eats date. I love date with camel milk, so that's up my alley as well. So overall, for the first impression, first sniff, absolutely yes, I love it to bits. And if you are this in the market for the same similar thing, or your taste is similar to mine, you probably you will like this as well. I will let you know in the next video about performance in the development and things like that. But right now it's very strong and it's filling the room. And even though my nose is half broken, I still can smell it because it's so strong. wow, it's getting more and more heavy resins and leathery and darker. So in the beginning it was dark, but it was a little on the lighter side of the darkness, but now it's getting darker and darker, which is amazing, especially for this time of year, for cooler weather. We are in the middle of winter. This is December. And don't forget, when you see Arab Santa, you know it is December anyway. And yes, this is absolutely good for this kind of weather. In the hot weather, I don't think it's advisable. It's obviously, you can rock it if you like. Arab Santa rock these things anywhere, anytime, anything you want. Okay, but for a recommendation, I would say 30 and up. In terms of age, in terms of season, I would say cooler weather and winter, maybe in the autumn as well. And also, this is special occasion going out, special occasion evening wear. This is amazing if you want to go somewhere to impress people, like if you're suited and booted for this time of year, going for a maybe an office celebration. This will turn heads, and people say, whoa, what is you wearing? Because it's very, very opulent, it's very distinctive, it's not an everyday fragrance. People definitely will smell something different, and that will intrigue them. Okay, all right guys, as always, Arab Santa love you from the heart. Naz love you from the heart as well, and he says big thank to every one of you for supporting this channel and subscribing, and also commenting. Please feel free to comment anything you want, okay, as long as is palatable to everybody. Please, we are all friendly, and this channel is a friendly, family friendly channel. As long, I don't mind criticism, no, obviously not. Nobody's perfect, but keep it clean, keep it civil, and be nice to each other. Life is too short to be nasty, okay? And also, Arab Santa will put you in the naughty list, huh? Don't forget, you don't want to be in the naughty list of Arab Santa, and then you won't get any oud or any fragrance that is, like my sleigh, which is from made from the oud. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you very much. Love you from the heart, and I'll see you later.